Go ahead. Voice recording. Okay. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, camera, action.
Nandra and my friend. Today I want to presentation about basketball. Today I want to describe this photo. This photo is me, 14 years old, in competition X3 basketball in University of Jakarta. And this is me, 10 years old.
Which one? Which one is you?
This is me, 10 years old. 10 years old.
So much has changed.
Play basketball. I love very much basketball. I play 10 years old until now. And this is me in competition, Jets basketball competition. Next, this is me, 11 years old, playing basketball in Gading Serpong. And this is me last year with my friend, with my friend. This is from any school and university. This is university, my friend, and many school. I love to play basketball because I have many friends in basketball. I also practice every day, almost every day, for 10 years old until now. But in university, I don't practice every day because I work at college.
You work.
Yes.
Close it.